Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. In this occasions, today we will discuss about our subject. Our subject is creative writings, and this is our first meetings. Okay, everyone. Before we begin our class today, please say basmalah together, and let's discuss about our materials. Okay, we are going to the next slide. Okay, here my personal informations. My name is Akchi Hikmawati. You can call me Mem Akchi. Okay, everyone's. We will discuss in our three meetings for the subjects. Okay. Okay, there are three topics in these subjects with me. And for the first topics, we will have 3 points. Okay, everyone's. The first point is what is creative writings. The second one is where to begin. And the third one is how to write creatively. Oke, jadi di topik pertama ini kita akan membahas 3 poin. Yang pertama adalah definisi dari creative writing itu sendiri. And then where to begin, write the creative writing itself. Bagaimana kita memulainya, menulis creative writing itu, dan yang ketiga adalah how to write creatively. Okay, we are going to the next slide. Okay, here talking about the definition. Okay, what is creative writings? Okay, everyone, what is creative writings? Here, the definition of creative writings is writing that expresses ideas and thoughts imaginatively. Okay, and the second definition also, creative writings is also a form of writing that encompasses a number of genres and styles outside the scope of more formal technical or academic writings. Okay, everyone's here there are words that I bold or that I give red color imaginatively a number of genres and styles. Okay, imaginatively. It means creative writings full of imaginatively. Imagine your imagines. Okay, write a story with full of your imaginations. Oke, jadi apa creative writing itu sendiri? Creative writing itu adalah tulisan yang dapat mengekspresikan ide atau pikiran kita secara imajinatif. Okay, and here creative writing is writing meant to evoke good, sad, happy feeling or emotion in reader in each kind of genres and styles. Okay, what creative writing? What is creative writing? Jadi creative writing di sini juga tulisan yang dapat menumbuhkan atau yang dapat membangkitkan uh, suasana atau emosi atau perasaan senang, perasaan sedih, perasaan bahagia, perasaan takut pada membaca di setiap genre yang berbeda atau style yang berbeda atau tema yang berbeda pada masing-masing cerita atau short story atau novel itu sendiri. Begitu. Okay, here, creative writing has components. We will discuss about the components in creative writings. Here, okay, there are 4 points of the components of creative writings. The first one is connectings. The second one is point of view. The third one is text organizations. The fourth one is imaginatively. Okay, everyone's here connecting. There is communication way to the reader's emotions. Okay, kalau berbicara tentang connecting atau communication way to the reader's emotions. Nah, itu adalah salah satu komponen dari creative writing itu sendiri. Bagaimana kita membangun komunikasi terhadap pembaca itu sendiri melalui cerita kita. Mau itu emotion sedih, mau itu good feeling, bad feeling, or horror semacam itu. Okay, the second one. The second one is point of view. Okay, here talking about the point of view, the story has a specific point of view. Okay, what does it mean? The story has a specific point of view. Okay, pada creative writing, point of view itu penting. Jadi sudut pandang suatu cerita itu penting. Jadi pada creative writing komponennya adalah eh, point of view yang spesifik, sudut pandang yang spesifik. Misalkan sudut pandang pada penulis ini sebagai cerita horor misalkan, atau cerita sedih, atau cerita horor yang dikemas eh, sedih bisa. Itu jadi point of view pada creative writing itu sangat penting. Okay, creative writing has a specific point of view. Okay, next components. Next components is text organizations. Text organizations. Here, the text organization in creative writing is narrative. In creative writing is narrative structures. Okay, narrative structures can be complex or simple, and there is a way to shape to make the reader interacts with the contents. Okay, narrative structure itu yang akan membuat atau yang akan memanggil pembaca itu tertarik untuk membaca atau tertarik lebih dalam pada novel atau pada short story itu sendiri yang merupakan bagian dari creative writing begitu. Jadi narasi, struktur organisasi teks seperti narasi ini dia bisa kompleks atau simple. Dan itu yang akan membuat ataupun yang menarik pembaca itu untuk lebih dalam memahami isi cerita tersebut. Okay, everyone's the last component here, imaginatively. Okay, imaginatively. Here, imaginatively means using descriptive language and imaginative ways. Jadi, cerita creative writing ini harus berdasarkan imajinasi gitu. Mau itu imajinasi yang nyata, yang real ataupun unreal gitu. And using descriptive language and imaginative way. Okay? Descriptive language and imaginative way. Okay. Here, we will discuss about types of creative writings. Okay, types of creative writings. There are so many types of creative writings. For example, short stories, poetry, novel, TV scripts, drama script, or literary journalism, personal essays, and humor writings. There are so many types of creative writing, everyone's. There are the fiction and non-fiction stories. Okay. Um. Okay. The next explanation is about how to write creatively. Okay, everyone's talking about the creative writings. It means you have to write creatively. Okay, based on the title, creative writings, it means we have to write creatively. Okay, here, how to write creatively. There are so many questions about how to write creatively. Okay, the first one. The first one, your type of sense in writings. Okay, yang pertama itu adalah kenali diri kalian. Kenali diri kalian. Kalian karakter menulisnya itu tentang apa? Okay, identify the kinds of characters, scenes, language that you like writing best. Jadi, identifikasi atau dalami kalian menulis itu hobinya, kesukaannya tentang apa. Apakah dia tentang horor atau tentang fiction, non-fiction. Nah, okay. The first one, your types of sense in writings. Okay, and the second one, special time or space to write a creative writing. Okay, we have to make underline a sentence here. Special time or space to write a creative writings. Special time. Okay, teman-teman semuanya harus meluangkan waktu atau bahasa kita sekarang itu me time. Me time in academic purpose. Okay, me time to write something good. Okay, nah jadi luangkan waktu atau tentukan waktu untuk menulis suatu tulisan creative writings. And then challenge yourself to write a different genre or try new type of writings. Okay, challenge yourself, everyone. You have to challenge yourself to write a new type of creative writings. Contohnya, misalkan sebelumnya mungkin teman-teman semua terbiasa untuk menulis cerita short story atau cerita fiksi misalkan. Nah, coba challenge yourself untuk menulis tipe cerita baru, misalkan horror atau romance. Oke. Nah, jadi how to write creatively itu coba kita men-challenge diri kita sendiri dengan sesuatu yang baru. Men-challenge diri kita keluar dari comfort zone kita gitu. Oke, the next tips is learn from others. Okay, learn from others. You can get involved in online forums or social media. Jadi mungkin di luar di sosial media itu banyak forum yang fokus dengan creative writings. Atau di sosial media coba untuk join atau kenalan dengan teman yang mempunyai interest yang sama dalam creative writings. And then how to write creatively, write something wherever and whenever you go. Okay, all of you have a mobile phone, a good mobile phone, a high spec of mobile phones. Nah, okay, you will begin it with write something wherever and whenever you go. Misalkan kalian pergi berlibur ke pantai, bisa sambil menulis di note di mobile phone masing-masing itu 1 sampai 10 kalimat mungkin untuk awal, begitu. Okay, write something wherever and whenever you go. Okay, everyone, here for our first meetings, material for our first meetings. Okay, we will continue our video to the second meetings. Thank you so much.